This is a truly unique home in the heart of Cotter, Arkansas, Trout Capital of the USA. It has many unique features, and I think you will just love it. Marcia Taylor, the listing agent, is taking us on a tour. Let's have a look.
Hey, John.
Hey, Marcia.
You're coming here to take photos for me.
I'm coming to take a look at this beautiful home.
Let's go right on in. We're
right.
at 402 Combs Avenue in Cotter, Arkansas.
Cotter's the Trout Capital of the USA. Is that not right?
That is correct. And it's a wonderful little community, pretty old community, started in 1904.
Wow. I just love this. What would you call this? Like a screen?
This
room?
is a screened-in porch.
I mean, I can just see sitting out here in the cool of the afternoon or early evening.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Come on in.
All right, I'm on my way.
This is the living room, as you can tell.
Oh, it is beautiful.
It's got bamboo flooring.
Bamboo flooring. And this is like oversized for a living room in this area.
In this town, yes,
yeah.
It is, indeed. And then you've got dining room here.
Oh, my.
It's roughly about 1,600 square feet.
That's a large home in Cotter.
It is. We have a nice galley kitchen.
I love those cabinets.
Isn't it nice?
Oh, look at that.
And I actually love this hardwood on the walls. It's very cozy. And then stainless appliances.
All right. Not cheap ones either. Those are good quality.
They are.
I just love these cabinets. They're beautiful. Great view from the kitchen window too, Marcia. Looks like a fenced side yard.
It is. It's fenced on actually two sides.
So great for pets and kids and things like that.
Yes, the owner had raised show dogs.
Oh.
And hence, that's the reason that you've got this nice fencing in here. It's very sturdy.
What's this room?
This room, John, was her breakfast room, but she'd also turned it into her office. And as you can see, there are outlets where your washer and dryer could be in here if you wanted to. And I'll show you where they are a little bit later.
Very good.
Well, John, I'm getting ready to walk into the craft room.
Oh, wow, there's a craft room. This is a big room.
It's very big. She did her crafting and quilting and crocheting all in here.
Wow.
And for those who are looking at the video, the pink is actually paint. It is not wallpaper. So it would be very easy if you don't like this pink color, which we kind of do, to repaint it.
Oh, well, let's see. I see there's a full bath right here, too.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, my. All right.
How about if we go into the family room and then come back and see the bedrooms?
All right, that's good. Man, again, for this area, this is a huge family room.
It is. A lot of these homes in Cotter have had add-ons. And then it just walks out into the backyard.
And again, this is all just paint, so...
If you don't like the color, it's easy enough to paint it over. And very simple paint job, too. Well, hey, John, you beat me out.
Yeah, I did. So nice out here.
This is the backyard.
And
you can get a better look at that fence over there.
That's a substantial fence. I can see they had show dogs. They didn't want to take any chances, right?
No, they didn't.
Looks like another thing that's unusual for Cotter is that there's a garage.
That's true. We don't have very many of these. It's a one-car garage, but it's better than most of our homes.
Right. Boy, this is a good-sized garage.
It is. It's got workspace.
Yeah.
And large enough to put a car or a truck in here.
Awesome.
And it looks like it may at some point have had water.
It's kind of plumbed for it, isn't it?
Yep.
Won't be done. And then there's that big backyard or driveway where you could park another car right there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Awesome. There are more dogs. Where are we headed now, Marcia?
We're headed to the primary bedroom.
Excellent.
And this, again, is quite a nice room for a Cotter house.
Oh, yeah.
So you have...
It's a lot of room here.
Yeah, and you have...
Double closet. That whole wall is closet. Yeah.
Well, you have this huge closet, and then I have another one to show you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And while we're here, let me just let you take a look at these nice little jewelry
Oh, isn't that cute?
boxes.
Yeah. Wow. When do you think this home was built?
It was pre-1950, I believe, but I don't have an exact date. There are a number of homes here that were built in 28, 32.
Oh, what a privilege to live in a home like this.
Oh, it's wonderful. It reminds me of my grandmother, where my grandmother used to live.
And yet you're only moments from trout fishing.
Home, trout fishing,
oh, boy.
whatever.
There's no reason why Cotter is so popular.
Yeah. And then this is the primary bathroom. I'll let you walk through. You've got a shower.
And, that's
Nice sink and cabinetry. And then you have a very nice, larger closet.
I would call this closet cavernous. Wow. Amazing. And then
there is a second bedroom. That was currently being used as a laundry room.
Oh.
Room.
Yeah. Okay. You mentioned the washer and dryer elsewhere.
And it does have two closets here.
Oh, so it'd be a nice bedroom.
Yeah.
Plenty of natural light, no question there. Well, Marcia, thank you for showing this lovely house to us.
Well, thanks for being my photographer, John.
Well, no problem. Hey, if people want to know more about this, what would they be doing?
They could call myself directly at 901-490-4828. And they can call Century 21 Lee Meck Realty.
And ask for Marcia Taylor. If a viewer already is working with an agent and they've signed an agreement and everything with that agent, they can still look at this house, right?
Oh, absolutely.
So they would ask their agent to do what?
They would ask their agent if they could see the home. And
what's the address again?
Oh, it is 402 Combs Avenue.
Okay, so their agent would just look up Combs Avenue or call you, and you would make that arrangement. But if they don't have an agent, they can call you directly.
That's correct.
Excellent. Either way, don't miss this home.
That's true. Come and see it.
Yeah.
I know you'll love it.
Thanks, Marcia.
Thanks, Sean.
This is a beautiful aerial view of Cotter, Arkansas. It is a quaint village that's so sweet. And you can see in the distance the famous Cotter Bridge and the majestic White River. The river is why it's called the Trout Capital of the USA. If you'd like to know more about living in this special community, contact Marcia Taylor at Century 21 Lee Mack Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.